Hi, today I'd like to show you 3 ways to play Purple Rain by Prince. The first way is just with the slide, works perfect for fretless. I'm tuned to G, D in the middle, G on the high string. First chord is B flat, which is found on the 3rd fret. Second chord is G minor. We're going to do that by open on the low, open on the middle, and then the 3rd fret. We'll angle the slide and just catch the 3rd fret. That'll give us a G minor chord. Next chord is F, which is found on the 10th fret. And then E flat, which is found on the 8th fret. I'll just illustrate that for you. Now, I'm going to put the slide away, and if you have frets, of course you could do exactly the same thing, just with one finger. But it gives you the option to do F this way, 5, 3, 5, just a little fatter sounding, and then 3, 1, 3. That would sound like this. Start off with the same B flat. So that's the 2 easy ways to play it. When the song was first recorded, the guitar player was Wendy Melvoin. She inverted the chords and turned them into sus chords, which was made for a really, really nice sound. The first chord, B flat, she started that on the 3rd of the chord, which is a D note. Then she added a B flat note, and then an F note. She also had a C note in there. We can't get that in there, but we can get these 3. That's basically a B flat sus2 chord. And then she went to G minor 7th add 9. So once again, we can't get all the notes in there, but we can get the G, the B flat, and the F. She also had a C in that chord as well. So that's your second chord there. And then she went to F sus2, which we can do up here. And when she first plays it the first time around, she only uses 3 notes, which is great. And we're only using 3 notes. We don't sound exactly the same, even though they're in the same order, because we're an octave higher. But it's kind of close. And then it's E flat sus2. She was back to using 4 notes. She added a G note, which is right here on the 12th fret. We can't do this note and the G note. We can do one or the other. I sort of like to end with the G note. You may or may not like that. Might want to stay there. Anyway, I'll demonstrate that for you. There you go. I hope you found that helpful. Have a great day. Bye.